Ring, ring, ring. Postman. Who this?
Cherry the worst.
Now the lights down the house, like I thought before. Feeling like I can't ignore this, and like you know it's bad. Show me your favorite eyes.
This look is so pretty. I can't. I'm just so happy that I came up with today. I'm just so happy. Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jerry, and today we're going to be going over this galactic type of look that I came up with today. It's very unique, very fresh. I've been on a hiatus on Instagram and on YouTube. However, I haven't really been on a hiatus on Snapchat, so if you don't follow me on Snapchat, pause the video real quick and point your camera at the video and just, you know, hit that follow. Basically, I've just been in such a rut with creativity, and you know, like I'm 21 and I'm just like looking at all my friends do some really cool, awesome stuff. And I'm like, yo, why aren't I like doing like cool, awesome stuff? And it's like, I don't know, like you can't rank yourself like that basically. I had to come to terms with I can't rank myself. I gotta figure out what I wanna do, and that's what I took this time off to figure out. But thank you guys for coming back. I hope you enjoyed. Tell me what you think about this look, and let's get started. Alright, so boom, jumping right into this tutorial. We're using my Estee Lauder Double Wear in the shade 6W1. This is a new foundation for me. I don't usually use matte foundations, and I damn sure don't use full coverage foundations, but oh my god, this turns out to be such a beautiful foundation, y'all. I don't use filters on my video. I never use filters, so just look at how flawless and airbrushed my skin turned out. I didn't even put on a lot of foundation. I never put on a lot of foundation, and it just covered things like that. It evened out my skin tone like that, and I was just, Estee Lauder got me, bruh. That's all I gotta say. Estee Lauder got me. I'm a customer. I had a sample. As you can tell, I'm gonna buy the whole damn bottle. So now you see me lining up my space and kind of making a planet, but making the little lines that usually go through the planet. I didn't know which way I wanted to do it. I ended up just going straight across. And now I'm using my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean to lay down my base, because I am going to be using some darker metallics. And when you have a black base, the dark metallics tend to kind of shine through really nicely, whereas if you don't have a base or where you use a white base, it kind of doesn't shine as much. It's kind of hard to explain unless you experience it. So now I'm using my Juvia's Place Masquerade palette and the blues in this palette to create like this galactic type of space vibe on my face. And I put in a bunch of purple as well, and it kind of just gave it that dimension. And I didn't notice it when I was filming this tutorial, but throughout this whole entire tutorial, all I've used was AliExpress brushes. And I know a lot of people are against AliExpress for whatever reasons they have, you know, bandwagon if you want to, but go get your AliExpress brushes. Go get your brushes off of AliExpress, because I found some amazing brushes from AliExpress, you know? Like, none of the brushes that I bought came over $3, you know, like, just go get your money's worth, you dig? Like, go get your money's worth, cut out the middleman, and go buy your brushes off of AliExpress and get some amazing brushes, you dig? It's not that serious. So now I'm using my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and this is going to be the base for my planet. So mind you, we used a black base for our metallics because it emphasized the already metallic nature the eyeshadow already holds. Whereas when we're using a white base, it looks better with matte colors because it focuses on just making our colors vibrant and pop out. So basically we're playing with contrast of metallics and mattes, and we're emphasizing it with the black base and the white base. You feel me? I hope that made sense. So I'm packing this Morphe 35B color on, and it took me a long time because, as you know, the Morphe 35B palette is a colorful palette, but it's very inconsistent. Some colors are creamy and pigmented, other colors take a little bit of work. This red took a lot of work. So if you have any palettes out there, if you know any palettes out there
that have as much colors in it as the Morphe 35B palette, but it's a little bit more consistent, please leave it in the comment section below and I will buy it. Like, I need a new palette, you feel me? So now you see me just cleaning up the planet with a little bit of the purple that I used for the outer space part. Then I took my MAC pigment and Chartreuse and my Mehron mixing liquid and mixed these two together to make my pigment a liquid. That's what the Mehron mixing liquid does, and it makes it dry matte but still preserve that metallic look to it. Then I took yet another bomb AliExpress brush. This is actually a nail brush, but I use it for eyeshadow because, you know, I'm not into nails like that. And I took the mixing liquid that I made and I kind of just made these random lines, you dig? Like, I didn't do anything concise. I kind of just drew it on where I wanted to, pick the brush up and down wherever I wanted it to be at, just to mimic a planet. Then I moved on to creating the line that usually goes across planets. I forgot what you call it, but I was struggling with a color to use for it, and I ended up settling on this AliExpress dupe. It's kind of like this lilac color, and it ended up being the perfect contrast, that perfect pastel contrast I needed to this look, and it just looked amazing. And after it dried, I took some of the Morphe 35B black eyeshadow and took it underneath of that line that I made and gave it that that three-dimensional look by adding a shadow to it, you know, because nothing's flat, so we need to add a little bit of shadow to it. Everything has to have some type of gradients to it. After that, I took my white NYX liner and I kind of just made the stars in the sky because you can't have a sky without stars. I feel like I sound fake deep, you know. So now I wanted to leave it at this, but the look just looked a little bit too flat to me still. So I used my Glitter Palettes glitter and my Mehron mixing liquid, and I used my Mehron mixing liquid as adhesive, and then I put those chunky pieces of glitter on top of it, and it was beautiful. And I'm telling y'all, if you don't have the Mehron mixing liquid and you're a makeup artist, go get it. Like, this is going to be helpful to your kit. You're going to be thankful that you had it. So then I moved on to the lashes. I'm using these new lashes from Crowned and Glam. They're called the Carrie Bradshaw and the Kiss Super Lash Glue. This is my favorite lash glue. It makes it stick like that. Like, nothing moves when I use this lash glue. And I am finished, you guys. I'm done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Please tell me what you think about this look. I really loved it. I hope you guys love it. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, subscribe. Do whatever you have to do. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, y'all.
Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked. Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked. Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked. Looks, I be giving looks, Fashion Week in New York and I just got booked.